And today I'm gonna burst a myth, okay? Now, at times you might find yourself in a place where I don't have time for this, I don't have time for that. There's no thing that you don't have time for anything. It's just how much you wanna do something. People will always make time for what they want to make time for. So, right now I'm creating a video. I have my exams going on. But if my mom tells me to cook right now, I'll tell her, no, I cannot cook right now because I have to study. I do not have time for cooking. But I do have time to create a video and post it and then create another video for Instagram and post it. How? Simply because I want to do this. I like doing this. So I made time for this. So just cut these excuses that okay, if so people might you might give yourself an excuse that we don't have time to read a book 10 pages today. Time for 10 pages you don't have. See, it's not about comparison, it's just how you're using your time. If you have 24 hours, the person who has three businesses also has 24 hours, the person who does nothing also has 24 hours, and the prime minister also has 24 hours. Everybody has the same 24 hours. You gotta respect time because time waits for nobody. Time moves like this. Like, if you're 20 something, I turned 20 recently, and I realized this, that my life has moved by. My mom tells me that, oh, now you're never gonna live with us because I moved out for studying and now I'll move out again to study something more. So the thing is, now when I tell her that I spent 17 years with you, and she feels and it feels like nothing. Why? Because time waits for nobody. Time just moves really quickly. Either you make good bond with the time, or either you just see it passing by. And trust me, it's not the time that's passing by, it's your life. Especially if you're between this 18 to 25, your whole life actually matters on this many years. And if somebody can do it having the same 24 hours, you can do it having the same 24 hours. You just need to have the willpower to do something from your heart. Or there should be this very high liking towards something to do something. You cannot succeed by saying that okay, I'll do this, I'll do that, and then you do not do it. Then you make excuses. That's not how things work. See, I've wasted a lot of time in my life behind loving people and doing everything that they like in me and they would want me, and I did not do anything the way I liked, and still people left. So now I know that me wasting my time over other people is not just worth it at all. Trust me, you can build no good relationship by not loving yourself. The only good relationships that are built after you love yourself. So all the time that you spend on, oh, she did not talk to me like that. Oh, he did not call me. Oh, he did that. Stop doing it. Instead, put the time in yourself and see yourself growing and flourishing like amazingly. And trust me, time waits for nobody. तुम हो जाओगे 40 के, टाइम चला जाएगा, तब जाके तुम सोचोगे अरे वो करना था मुझे, वो तो किया नहीं. तो वो ऐसे नहीं चलता. यू हैव टू डू दैट. You have to do what you want to do. Only you can do that. Nobody is coming to save you. Some people are very, very, very selfish. They'll only look at what you are giving them and they'll never return back, even though you've just given all your life to them. Okay, and they'll never understand you. They'll never value you. So it's time that you start valuing yourself and your time. The greatest investments that you'll make, one is your health and one is your time. Wherever you put your time in is an investment. If you're using your phone for like 4-5 hours a day, it's a divestment. If you're not making money out of your phones, stop using it so much. Time is gonna wait for nobody. Time just moves like this. And once it moves away, and then you'll realize that. See, and at times, also what happens is, okay, I am very motivated today. I'll do gym today. Today is Monday. I'll do 1 hour straight gym. Tomorrow it goes away. Why? Because you were just motivated. See, motivation can just help you begin the process, but all that can help you to be in the game is discipline. Discipline and consistency. Without these two things, you are never gonna reach where you have to reach. Especially for a student, stop wasting your time. Your parents put a lot of effort for you to study because back in their time, they did not get the opportunity to study the way we've got it. And many people are like, I don't want to do this 9 to 5, I just want to build a business, I don't do everything with your money. राइट नाउ यू जस्ट वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग फॉर वॉट यू वॉन्ट, एंड ऊपर से तुम ये भी बोल रहे हो कि मुझे जो करना 9 to 5 तो मैं नहीं करूँगा वॉट एवर, एंड आई वांट टू ब्रेक द मैट्रिक्स. अरे बाबा, first of all, respect the money that your parents have put in you. Okay, they work so hard, your dad works so hard day and night just for you to study. So you can finish your studies, you can get a job, and then you can earn money and do whatever you want with that money. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, ऐसा नहीं होगा कि अरे मैंने 9 to 5 किया तो मैं बंद हो गई, ये हो गया वो. अरे जिनको टाइम निकालना होता है वो निकाले. यू शुड बी डूइंग एवरीथिंग इन योर पावर टू मेक योर लाइफ बेटर. Because once this time goes, it's never ever ever coming back. You'll never be this young. And do not live anything for later. Because you know what, तुम सुबह सोचते हो ये मैं करती हूँ. It becomes night. जो करना है ना उसको कर लेना चाहिए, बहुत सोचना नहीं चाहिए. Because the more time you give yourself to think about it, the more delayed the process. If you are doing something and people are making fun of you and everything, why? Because they cannot reach you, because they want to make you fall down so badly, but they cannot make you fall down, and so they start making fun of you, they start laughing at you, everything, so that you fall down. Who cares? Who literally cares? Nobody cares. Everybody cares about themselves. कि अरे जैसे हाउ यू थिंक नो कि अरे वो क्या सोचेगी, वो क्या सोचेगा, वैसे वो भी सोचती है कि अरे मेरे बारे में वो क्या सोचेगी. दिस इज द साइकिल. यू गॉट टू ब्रेक आउट ऑफ दिस. मैट्रिक्स बाद में ब्रेक करना, पहले ये सिंपल साइकोलॉजी यू नीड टू ब्रेक आउट ऑफ. वेरी बैड. लाइक I can give my whole life right now to go back in 2022 and change some things and come back here. तो ये, and that one regret keeps me pushing every day. तो वो जो रिग्रेट, अगर वो रिग्रेट लेकर अगर तुम्हें अगर अभी तक वो रिग्रेट नहीं आया तो अच्छी बात है ना. तो मैं तुम्हें बता रही हूँ कि रिग्रेट बहुत ख़राब होता है. तुम्हें एक्सपीरियंस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. कर दो चालू जो करना. 24 घंटे बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. सब कुछ हो सकता है. तुम्हें जो करना है, जिम, ड्राइंग, पढ़ाई, टेनिस खेलना है, न्यूज़ पढ़ना है, बुक्स रीड करनी है, एवरीथिंग कैन हैपन.